Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. And I am up early this morning to do some videos. It's 4:30 a.m. on Tuesday. I woke up and I had some ideas for some cool videos, and I thought I'd just get up and get an early start. So I got up and made coffee and had devotions, and I'm going to do a few videos for you all. So I'm going to do a series of short videos showing you all my backpacking kits. Okay, so you all know that I like backpacking, hiking, bushcraft, camping, outdoor adventures, survival, emergency, preparedness, all that kind of stuff. I have a couple of my backpacks right here. This is my lightweight day pack and my bigger day pack. And yeah, I like my backpacks and packs and pouches and kits and all that, and gear, and just enjoying the outdoors, and just yeah, and I like DIY stuff and thrifty stuff. So in this video, well, actually this is an intro to them, and I'm going to do 6 or 7 videos this morning, all in a row, and they'll all be up today, just showing you my kits. Okay, so in my backpacks, I just like to be organized, and I don't like things just falling all over, bouncing all over loosely. For the most part, I have a few loose things, but most of it is in kits. For example, like this, okay? And there, I like my little pouches, my little military, tactical, military surplus pouches and kits that hold stuff, okay? And I'm all about being prepared, okay? Always prepared. And yeah, so in each kit, it's for a certain kind of thing. And I have a bunch of different ones here. I'm going to show you my canteen kit, my fire kit, my first aid kit, my cook kit, my shelter kit, my coffee kit, my possibles kit. Okay, I'm going to show you each one in separate videos. Now, I do have a few things that are in my pack that aren't in kits, like my big bushcraft knife and my saw, and flashlight, headlamp, whistle, compass, bandana, gloves, you know, a tarp, some of those other things like that, that aren't in kits, but they're in there and I know where they are. But everything else is in organized little kits, and that's what I want to show you in this video. So I hope you enjoy this. Again, I don't know everything. I'm always learning, and I just like to share my life and the different things that I enjoy. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this series of videos. If you like them, please yeah, give them a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and I hope you get something out of this. And again, please leave your comments and comment, what do you like to carry in your packs? And I'm talking for hiking and backpacking and camping and bushcraft and survival and just being prepared, emergency, and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, so let's get on with the videos. I hope you enjoy.